So we got our property. We closed on it. It's ours. It's up in Washington. And my wife and kids hadn't seen it yet. So last weekend we took a trip and we went up and I showed the wife and kids the property that we bought. I'd gone up there before to look at it and I liked it and I thought it was something that my wife and kids would like. So we all got together and made a bid on it with them not even having seen it. But we went up there last weekend. I took some video clips and a bunch of pictures, so I figured I'd share them with you. That's when we're moving to in the next 3 months. So hang out for a minute and check out where we're going. So this channel, up to this point, has been a lot of kind of craft stuff, me helping my kids with science fair projects or making a costume or working on this little hot rod project that I just finished. Throw in some tool reviews. That's been the channel thus far. It's going to change in the next 2, 3, 4 months, at which point it's basically going to be focused on us building up this property so that we can live there. In the next couple months I have to get up there. I have to talk to somebody who can drill a well, put in a septic. I have to put a driveway in, which means a lot of clearing of the trees and stuff. Going to be a lot of work, but the whole family's in on it and we want to do it. So that's the direction our channel's probably going to move in. Check out a couple of these little video clips of the property when we were up there this last weekend, and I'll throw in a bunch of pictures, kind of tell you a little bit about them. Open area, whole bunch of beetle kill, small trees growing up, perfect place to clean up and put a house. Not too far from the road.
Wait a minute. Oh, there it is.
Yep. Oh wow, it's getting warm.
Yeah, layers are coming off. Gate is wide open. Yeah. And the dumplings will come out. Yeah. It just staring at them. They're just protecting the property.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's a nice opening. We can take down that tree right there and that one. Yeah, oh yeah, there's 1, 2, 3.
It's a lot of trees. They're packed together. We'll have to clear them out. No, don't. Be careful, kiddo. You'd stay away from that one too. That one's barely hanging on. You could probably just get on the other side of it. Sonny, come back here with me. If you go on the other side of it and just push it. But you got to be careful. Well, you probably push that one. I wouldn't worry about it then. I'll come back over here then. Because you see this one, the one it's leaning up against is actually falling over also.
I know.
So I wouldn't worry about it too much. We'll bring a chainsaw out and we'll cut it down. How'd that go again?
I guess they're not going anywhere.
No, it's pretty stuck on that other tree.
We should try to take that one down though.
And this is the property.
I like it.
Yeah.
Meh.
Meh. That tree done falling down.
Dad, you should take that one down though.
That one looks like it went through a fire. I'm not going to take any of these down right now. Don't go underneath that. Go over it. Looks like it went through a fire. That are bugs?
That's what I'm wondering, if it's bugs.
Some kind of bug, I guess.
They're destroying it.
Yeah. Well, it's already dead. Yeah.
Might be a woodpecker. Oh, yeah. Woodpecker. This is his tree for the past 280
Somewhere out here, we've got to build a house.
Where did the stuff go?
We got to go that way to get the stuff. You can see our neighbor's house is over
No,
there.
I know. Where did the pink...
Oh, it's way
flags?
out there by the
Yeah.
road. This is deep in the forest.
Maybe listen will get all our stuff for us.
Yeah. Come on, kiddo. I'm getting cell reception now. Starting to go crazy.
Stake it out. Stake out the spot where you suddenly got cell reception.
LTE. This is weird. I
Yeah.
had 4G somewhere else. So.
Yeah, I had LTE and I did much better. That was when I was... Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Go, go, go.
What?
I saw a wasp.
Oh, it'll be alright. It's a clearing. The seasonal stream comes from up there. It's right down here and right through there.
I only moved the rock, but I found one.
You found a rock you can't move?
Yeah. Well,
Oh, almost.
pick it up. It'll be our first landscaping thing. We've already knocked over a few trees.
First landscaping rock. Right there. We're happy now.
Alright, go back to the street again.
Go back up here.
Cross.
So we'll throw in a couple pictures here. Most of the property is ponderosa pine, I believe, and oak. My wife found the only Doug fir tree on the property. It's, I don't know, 50, 60 feet high, really bushy green tree. She definitely voiced her opinion. That's her favorite tree on the property. So we're gonna do something with that, maybe limit up just a little bit so we can put a bench underneath it, someplace to sit and enjoy it. But there is a lot of cleanup, so we'll get the cleanup done as we can. Picture of a fender here, just some old fender off some car. I have no idea, car, trailer, whatever it is. No idea what it came off of. I don't see anything else as far as what somebody's dumped on the property, but I haven't had a chance to walk the entire thing yet. So we'll get this going and make this dream for our family, make it come true. It's what our channel is about, the quality of life. We want this quality of life that we're going for. So if you like adventures, you want to follow along, watch us build this property up, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. If you've seen something in one of the videos, you want to point it out to us, say, hey, check out for this, keep an eye out for this. There's one tree in one of the videos, we don't know if it went through a little fire or beetles killed it, just little peck marks all over it. If you know what that is, let me know, leave a comment on it. Let me know what it is so I can keep it from happening to other trees around my property. So until next time, go make something, guys.